Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing another episode of Brick Rigs Reviews. We're going to be looking at the XO2 Wyvern. I can't remember who made it. It was, wait, let me check. What was it? Okay. It was made by Panzer Officer Jeff. There will be a link to it in the video. There will be a link to it in the description, and without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so to start off, we're going to do a short takeoff test. Wait, it's on pause still. Wait, why is it on so much? Okay, here we go. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay, that's very maneuverable. Okay, very good. Oh, I might just slow it down a bit. See if I could, there we go, there go the missiles. Okay, now let's check how it did. Let's just... Oh, is that a corroboree maneuver? Very nice. Okay, so just pause it real quick. Oh, that could be a good thumbnail. Actually, let me take a thumbnail real quick. I'll do it in a sec. I think it missed. Oh, let's go again. Okay, let's just go around again. Is it, does this have any, the missiles are tracking the missile tracking is written. Okay, right, so, doesn't appear to be, I'll tell you what, let's just switch this out for a different thing. Let's go for this, F-150. Let's hop back in the XO2. Appears to have crashed. Let's go. Oh, there we go. Missiles away. Okay, now let's check damage. Okay, so it appears to be just the back half is just pretty much gone, so missiles look fairly effective. So yeah, pretty good. Right, on to the next one, guns. Alright, now we will be testing gunnery. Unfortunately, I am awful at aiming, so we're going to have to go around again. Looks like I hit a couple times then. Oh! Wait, did that hit? That'd be sick if it hit. Okay, so now let's take a look. Okay, so you can see all the times I missed. So looks like it took out a bit of the bonnet, or was, for my American viewers, the hood. Also looks like the front window, like the windscreen's gone. Right. So yeah. Overall. Wait, no, what am I saying this? Okay, so now we're gonna test maneuverability. Let's take off first. Alright, so let's do a something fairly simple. Let's do a cobra. No, that's no. I think I'm just bad. I think okay, a corroboree. You could probably like shoot off a missile with that, and it'd be like really cool in a dogfight. But I think honestly I'm just bad at like maneuvering this plane. I think it's got like a certain, yeah. Right. At this point in time, I'm probably gonna put in like a montage of me just doing like maneuvers or whatever of this to show you what it can do. So roll footage. before we finish up, we're gonna have to do a quick butter. Okay. Okay, round 2. Let's go. Get gear down. Oh, yo, wait. Fairly smooth. Alright, so real quick, just to demonstrate some of the combat abilities, we're gonna be going after this target drone that I've set up. Come on. Come on. Guns. My guns are working. Yes. Yay, we did it. Woohoo. Oh wow, look at all the pretty debris. Anyways, if you guys like the video, make sure to like and subscribe. But no, just subscribe. Because we're trying to get to 500 subscribers by the end of the year. So then maybe, hopefully, I could get a Gaijin partnership. Anyway, okay, enough yapping. Alright, see you guys.